everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a very natural office look. So this is the look which I have recreated. I feel it's very glowy as well as it gives you the sharp edge look, and with this neutral lip it looks very natural and neutral. If you want to know that how I created this look, so keep on watching this video. And before we start the video, do like the video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. अगर आपने पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया है तो थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है तो अभी वीडियो को पॉज करके नीचे जाइए, सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली फ्री. So let's jump into the video.
Without you, I remember myself, my name.
Aloe vera gel as my primer. You can go with any primer you like, but I like it really natural, so I'm going with it. So I'm just taking this much of quantity. Just rub it in your fingers, warm it up, and then apply it on your face, concentrating on your nose, upper cheek area, and then rest of your face. We are going to use foundation, so I am using this from NYX Cosmetics Stay Matte, and I am in the shade Natural. So I'm going to take a little amount of it. You can go with BB creams if you do not like foundation. I'm going to show you foundation.
So dab it in your face. I'm using this foundation brush to blend my foundation.
So whatever the product is left, we're going to apply it on neck. So next we are using Kryolan concealer, applying this under my eye, around my nose, and little bit around my mouth and bridge of my nose. So I like to blend this with my finger. You just have to dab your finger. Do not rub or pull, just dab your fingers like this. Trying this one. This is by Color Bar and this is in the shade 002 Shell. So using my big fat powder brush, so for contouring, I have this contour stick from Maybelline and this is in the shade 04 Frown. Actually, I bought this as a concealer, but this is really dark for me. So I use this as my contour cream. So this is my contour base. So you just have to make a fish face and apply it in this cut. Like so. It the corners of your nose. You have to also apply it in the corners of your face to make it look more sharp. I'm gonna blend this up with this contour brush I have from Wet n Wild. So just using this contour brush, eyeshadow palette I have from NYX, which I have quite a lot used. So I always use this shade from it to seal my contours. Dab the excess out. So first we are gonna apply in the arch of our eyebrows. Okay, so we are done with the eyebrow. So I'm gonna apply eye primer, and this is by Faces Cosmetic in the shade Metallic. So I like to apply it with my finger. You can completely skip if you do not have an eye base, but I like to apply it sometimes because it makes my eyeshadow stay in place for the entire day. So let's jump into the eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to use the same palette and I'm going to use the same color which I used as my contour. So this is a very cool tone brown color. I'm going to use it as my transition shade, and I'm taking a round top brush. Just take some product, dab off the excess, and then you have to place it here, not exactly in the crease, little bit above. Do one eye in front of the camera and I'll do the another eye off camera, and then I'll show you the entire look, how it looks. Okay, so for my lid color I am going to use this fresh skin tone color from the same palette. Using this brush from Bobbi Brown. Just place it all over your lid. You can see I'm done placing that color, but you can see a sharp line between the transition and the lid color. So we are gonna blend that. So use the same brush which you have used for blending your transition color. Take some more of your transition color. See, now it has blended very nicely. So I'm gonna use this shimmery shade over here. You can take any shimmery shade, like if you want to go with a very champagne color, so you can go with that, or you can go with a rose gold color or little silverish or goldenish. Just make sure that it's a little subtle color. We don't want the bold color over here under our brows, because it is just to highlight our arch. This eyeliner by Lakme. Always start from here, do not start from your inner corner. This eyeliner thing totally depends on you. If you want to wing it out, you can wing it. Otherwise, you can just keep it like that. It looks really good for your office look. So I'm not gonna make a proper wing, but I'm just gonna make it somewhat something like this. And that is it. Because I just don't like that circular edge thing. I like to make a small line. I don't know why I like it, but I really like to do that. So now I'm done with my eyeliner. So before I do my mascara, I will just complete this eye, because you can see it looks a hell lot of difference. So I'll just complete this eye and I'll get back to you. So I'm done with both my eyeshadows. So now I'm gonna move on to mascara. So for mascara, I'm using this one from Kiko Milano. for blush, I'm using this one from Faces Glam On. So I'm in the shade Coral Pink 01. It's a nice pink tone shade. So now blush you have to apply above your contour line. So this is my contour line. So I'm gonna apply the blush over here. I'm gonna just involve my cheek, and you always have to apply blush in V pattern. Like you just have to come down from here and then you have to go up. Is highlighter, my favorite part. It really adds glam to your face, your entire makeup. So using this highlighter, Mary Milanizer by The Balm. So I'm gonna apply this brush. I don't like using a fan brush, so this is a very nice angled brush with a flat top. So just taking some of the product, dabbing of the excess, just apply it over here. Okay, apply the product over here. Now when we blend it, we will just blend it with a very light hand and we'll just make a C over here. So this is a very natural highlighter. You can see how it looks. So we are also gonna apply it in the bridge of our nose. Concentrating on the tip of our nose. Little bit on the highest point of the face. Cubic's bow. So voila, we are done with highlighting our face. And now, oh, I forgot to apply a lipstick. So today I am applying this one. This is from Naked 4 and it's a very beautiful mauve color. So this is Cashmere. So this is the proper mauve color. I'm absolutely in love with this color. So you can go with any mauve or nude color. So I really like this shade. Comment down below if you like that. So this is the complete look. I'm gonna make my hair into a ponytail. And we are done. Thank you very much for coming back and watching this video till end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do hit the subscribe button before you exit this channel, and I'm gonna come up with more videos. Till then, tata.